you get an alert yet? Just decrease your sound all the way. This is called microlocks. And I can't play any Machiavelli or none of that because I don't want to get copyrighted. So I have to play a very generic song or music. And this is called Citrolocks or microlocks. There are two types. One name is trademarked, the other is not. But essentially the same style. Hi. What's the cost to start that? It depends on the length of your hair. But some people start $1,200, $1,300, $1,500. I hear in the East Coast, they start at $2,200. Did you hear that, girl? $2,200. I was like, what? Okay, East Coast is where it's at. Maybe I should do a pop-up shop there. Anybody need an establishment? Nordia, thank you. I love it too. Her hair is very beautiful. Thank you, Nordia. I try my best. If you like to see this kind of stuff, you can subscribe to the channel. Whenever I go live, it will alert you. You can see some more. I'm probably going to go live again this afternoon with my next client, if she's okay with it. That's a 4-point. Sunflower. How much does this cost? The Reties range between $150 to $300 for some people. The establishment, getting this whole thing done, starts from $1,200 to, like I said, $2,200 for others. So it depends on how different people price their stuff. It also depends on the length of your hair that determines how much one pays. Yes, it is time consuming. Getting an establishment can take about 24 hours to really a day to 3 days. Some people take 2 days, some people take 3 days. The retyping takes about 2.5, 3 hours, 4 hours, depending on the number of locks, how big the person's head is, the length of their hair, and how much growth they have. Thank you, Sunflower. We're all done. I'm gonna go live again probably in the next maybe 2 or 3 hours, so listen out for that. And you can see the other person's hair also. She has beautiful hair as well. So yeah. Thank you, girl. All right, bye guys. See y'all later.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh wow, there are more comments on here. Okay.
Good.
Let's see what you guys say. That looks very gorgeous. Keep up the good work, sweetheart. Jerome, thank you. Thank you so much. Sunflower, I am white, and it always amazes me how much work it is to do your hair type. So patient, looks beautiful. Thank you, Sunflower. Glad you appreciate it. Fly on the wall. Are they tiny locks or sister locks? They look great. These are, what do you have? Sister locks. These are sister locks, but they're microlocks and sister locks. They're both tiny locks, basically. I have one more question. How long does it last? How long does it take? What does it cost? And do you do older women's hair? I do all kinds of hair. Somebody with bald spots is not a candidate because you need hair to basically get the locks done. And it can last as long as you want. If you want it 10 years, 20 years, it's up to you. If you want to just do it for 2 years, it's up to you. But what would you spend $1,500 only to take it out in 2 years? All right, I think I've answered everything. Thank you, Eric. Are you looking at my nails? Thank you. Okay, I gotta check her out. How often do you have to come back to maintain? Every 6 to 7 weeks. It's 4 to 6 weeks, but I give my clients 6 to 7 weeks. Give them 7 weeks grace period, because 4 weeks is too soon. All right, I will see you guys in about 2 hours. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.